Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open the Instagram application. And once you've opened, you're just gonna head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And you will be transferred to this screen. And on your profile, you can just tap on the following tab right next to followers to check the people that you are following. As you can see, I have 2 persons that I am following here on this account. And to check whether someone is following you or not, you're just gonna tap on their profile. And once you're there, you're just gonna tap on the following tab to check whether they are following you. And if they are following you, you're gonna appear right on top of the list. As you can see, this person is following me. So let's go back again, and I'll give you an example of a person that isn't following me. Let's go ahead and select this other account. And as you can see, this person has 0 following. You just tap on the following tab to check if this person is following me. And as you can see, it is not following me. We're just gonna go back again. And to unfollow, you're just gonna tap on the following button right below the name of this person. And you will be given with this set of options. And as you can see, on the bottommost part, you can just tap on unfollow. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.